FIFA pack opening. Special edition. Pack 25,000 coins. First pack. Let's be a good one. Naldo. Is that a joke?
Just forgot an R and an O.
25k, and we've got literally 4 grand's worth of players there. Right, we'll do one more. I have a good feeling that I'm going to get Cellini today. Right, he quick sold for 316. Send him to trade ball because he's good enough for my French team. Right, pack 2. EA, stop being gay.
Remy,
Remy.
He scores. He's only worth about 15 grand.
He's not worth that much, is he?
Yeah, he's QPR, he's worth a bit.
I'm getting a lot of French players here. Right, we'll do one more. If he was worth 15 grand. What about Ricardo Carvalho? Do you know him?
Yeah.
He's not worth much anymore, would you say? Right, this is definitely the last one. Come on, EA. Benatia, Moroccan fucking defender. He's worth about a fiver.
Oh, yeah.
Right, one more. Sound like a drug addict here, don't they? One more shot of cocaine, you know? Right, come on, EA! Javi Martinez, Jim. What's he go for? 1,000 coins? Fuck's sake. He plays for Bayern Munich.
Oh, yeah, he does go for
Right. If you enjoyed this video, which I highly doubt you did, because them packs are really bad, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, follow me on Twitter at Dokes Gaming, and follow my friend over there at Onkeenan88. And what's your YouTube name again?
Keno's back.
Keno's Back, Kean
It's in your subscribers.
OSBACK. He's featured on my channel, so you'll see him there. Thanks, bye.